Hi guys, I'm Jones Crasto here. Whisperers of the desert wind, Mecca, trust without sight. In the global golden silence outside Mecca, a weary traveler lost his way beneath the burning sun. His water was gone, his map torn by the wind. In desperation, he fell to his knees and prayed, Lord, show me the path. But no voice came, only the endless whisper of shifting sand. As night fell, he noticed how the stars guided the dunes, how even the wind knew its unseen course. With trembling faith, he began walking toward the faint hum of that wind, trusting what he could not see. At dawn, he reached a small spring, cool, hidden, alive. He wept, realizing the desert had never abandoned him. He had been leading him all along. Years later, he told pilgrims, faith is not walking when you see the road, it's walking when the road becomes the prayer. And from that day, the wind over Mecca was said to carry his words, a reminder that trust begins where sight ends. Join us on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn for elite insights into God, the Holy Bible, Jesus, and spirituality.